Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm going to do a lifted makeup, meaning parang everything is all snatched. If you would look at my eyes, medyo downturned siyang ganon. So what I'm going to do is parang to lift it like that. Parang it would give you a more youthful vibe. So parang, yeah, parang ganon. So ito yung parang magiging tsura. Now, here's the tricky part. So, kailangan natin is ayusin is yung inner corners na muna. So, I'm gonna show this to you. Kita niyo ba? Yan. So, yan. Then, ito naman. Upper. Then, afterwards is didiretso natin dito. See? Yeah. So, it's very subtle, yet it has a very, very, lifted effect. So, yan. Sinunod ko lang yung liner. And then that's it. Then we get a white liquid liner. Nakuha ko to saan? It's from Barry M. Double Dimension yung tawag sa kanya. So, ang effect lang niya is dito mo lang ilalagay. Dito. And above. And then you smudge it. Smudge siya. So, this is how I smudge it. There. Parang i-blend ko lang siya. Diba? So, parang all of a sudden, nag-brighten yung eyes natin. So, I got this one from Glad King. Yung isa medyo lightweight, yung isa medyo makapal. So, baka itong kung... I also apply false lashes. Then, I got this parang oil pigment or serum from the LK. And I just gonna put it here. Sabi niya sa blush to, but I used already Teviat for my blush. So, this is the final look. It looks very lifted and snatched. Ayan, parang ganon. And it also helps that we're using colors to brighten up the face.
Just the kind of look I want, giving me that fresh, youthful vibe.
Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next time. Love you guys. Bye.